Documents. In this module, we are going to learn how the user can create new libraries and how to interact with them. If we go to the installation, to Documents, here we can see all the libraries that had been created. We can go into one to see the documents that form part of it. So for example, we can go to Reports. Depending on the way we configure it, we will need to click on Proceed or not to see the documents that form that family. Libraries can be configured so every time we open them, they show all the documents, or that we need to click on Proceed to see them, like in this case. Firstly, we're going to see all the options in the action bar. So we have Integrate that allows us to upload a document to the library. Clicking on Integrate, a new window will pop up so we can browse to look for the right document. This one. And now we have another window with the labels that we previously configured for this library. So revise, we're gonna say no, save and exit. And now you can see the document we just uploaded. Other actions are integrate from library, so it means directly, integrate from scanner, and download complement. This must be installed the first time for certain functionalities to work. Once we have that downloaded, we will need to do this again. We can also integrate documents from here. If what we want is to select several documents, clicking on here, we will save them directly to our PC. So let's see, it says open our portal app path. So we can save them from here. Another option that we have here is this one. So for example, if we select a document, this one, and we click on this cross, please confirm your decision, we can delete. Yes, as we can see, it's not here any longer. From here, we can print the grid or export it to Excel, and we have already seen these options previously. From this option, for example, we can see some information like the name, document data, see document, which allows us to download it, edit, sign, replace contact. Very important. Each document generates an URL. So if we want to modify the document without changing this, we can replace the content here. We also have fingerprint, download complement, and delete. An interesting option here is see history. Okay. Here we can see who has integrated the document, modified it, read it, etc. From labels, we can modify the labels as long as we are allowed, as long as we have permission. For example, we can change revise to no here and save and exit. Let's return to the reports library. If any of these documents were signed, we will see here a feather icon. We can download the document by simply clicking on it, or as we said before, we could click on the document and we can see that is downloaded. We could also open the document Right. Let's go back to the documents library. And we here have an option, queries of libraries in dictionary. So when we open a library, it has an appearance with the filters and columns, etc. But we could add some features from here. Different columns, filters. We can create different possibilities for all the different queries, okay? And if we go to print, again, as we have mentioned before, I can print the grid or export it to Excel. Now you can start applying your knowledge by doing part 5.